Set 14. Group A. Very short answer questions. 1. Which gland is known as the master gland of the human body? The pituitary gland is known as the master gland of the human body. 2. Name a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Night blindness is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. 3. What is meant by vasectomy? Vasectomy is a surgical procedure for male sterilization by cutting the vas deferens. 4. Write any one cause of malnutrition. Lack of a balanced diet is one of the causes of malnutrition. 5. What do you understand by cancer? Cancer is an uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body. 6. Write the full form of HIV. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. 7. What do you mean by physical exercise? Physical exercise refers to bodily activities that enhance fitness and overall health. 8. What is called pranayama? Pranayama is a breathing technique used in yoga for mental and physical well-being. 9. How many players are there in a team in Kabaddi? A Kabaddi team consists of 7 players. 10. What is an art? Art is the expression of human creativity and imagination in various forms. Group B. Short answer questions. 11. Point out 2 dissimilarities between endocrine and exocrine glands. 1. Endocrine glands release hormones directly into the bloodstream, while exocrine glands release their secretions through ducts. 2. Endocrine glands regulate bodily functions like growth and metabolism, whereas exocrine glands help in digestion and lubrication. 12. Suggest any 2 ways to prevent mental health problems. 1. Regular physical exercise and a balanced diet can help in maintaining good mental health. 2. Practicing meditation and seeking social support can also reduce stress and anxiety. 13. Suggest any 2 ways to prevent night blindness. 1. Eating vitamin A-rich foods such as carrots, spinach, and dairy products can prevent night blindness. 2. Regular eye checkups and maintaining proper eye hygiene can also help in its prevention. 14. Explain Minilap in short. Minilap is a small incision surgical procedure used for female sterilization. It involves blocking or removing the fallopian tubes to prevent pregnancy. 15. What type of toilet is more hygienic? Why? A flush toilet is the most hygienic type of toilet. It helps in proper waste disposal and prevents the spread of diseases. 16. Write any 2 points to be observed while throwing a shot put. 1. The shot should be placed close to the neck before throwing. 2. Proper body balance and arm movement are essential for an effective throw. 17. Name any 2 fundamental skills used in volleyball. 1. The 2 fundamental skills in volleyball are passing, bumping, and spiking. 2. These skills help in controlling the ball and scoring points. 18. Write any 2 points reflecting the importance of yoga. 1. Yoga improves flexibility, posture, and overall physical health. 2. It also reduces stress and enhances mental well-being. 19. Write any 2 psychological benefits of music. 1. Music helps in reducing stress and anxiety by calming the mind. 2. It also enhances focus and improves mood. 20. Write any 2 differences between minor and major scales. 1. A major scale has a happy and bright sound, whereas a minor scale sounds sad and melancholic. 2. The 3rd note in a major scale is higher compared to the 3rd note in a minor scale. Group C. Long answer question. 21. Mention any 4 legal provisions mentioned in the Drug Abuse Act. Right pointing arrow. The Drug Abuse Act prohibits the production, sale, and distribution of illegal drugs. Right pointing arrow. It imposes strict punishments, including imprisonment and fines, for drug-related offenses. Right pointing arrow. The act allows for the rehabilitation of drug addicts to help them recover. Right-pointing arrow law enforcement agencies are authorized to investigate and take action against drug trafficking. Right-pointing arrow schools and public institutions are required to raise awareness about drug abuse. Right-pointing arrow the law also provides measures to control the misuse of prescription drugs.